Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom, you should just go to settings. After that you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you'll enter to Google Classroom. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and then you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can turn off your phone. You can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.